Mm. Sweet wood, yes. Parang scent siya na galing
Is that
sa
raisin?
pangalan ay
No,
sweet wood.
this-
Mm.
Oh, you're right.
Nice.
No one carry mine.
Mm. See? Snack siya guys, parang ano ba yung nasa Pinas na dingdong ba yun? May halo-halo.
Okay, Biggie. It's the wood.
No, this grapes.
No, it's the wood.
Only dry grapes.
No, it's the wood. No, get out of my room. What are you doing? Stop harassing me.
Yeah.
Mom's boundary breaking.
Mm. Yun ang
Mom, he's breaking in.
snacks nila, soda.
He's bullying me. Okay, Biggie.
Yan guys, yan yung snack sa India. Na parang halo-halong dingdong. Ano ba yung dingdong? Correct me if I'm wrong. Kung ano yung snacks na may halong nuts, green peas, and chips. Nakalimutan ko na yung name sa Pinas. But sobrang ano guys. Sobrang what do you call that? Spicy. Manghang. Ilan ang calories? Let's check the calories. Calories 148.25 kilocalories. Per 25 grams. Gaano ba kadami yung 25 grams? Ang liit lang, di ba? So, ilan ng calories na kain ko? Trans fat, 0. Buti na lang, walang trans fat. Cholesterol, 0. How come? How come no cholesterol? Total fat. 11.25 per 25 grams serving. Cholesterol? Walang cholesterol? How come? Okay. Potassium. Okay guys, that's all for today's video. Ito na guys, ang Chowda. Cornflakes Chowda. Snack pala siya guys. Okay? Hindi siya breakfast na cornflakes. It's a snacks. Okay? Nag-prepare na ako ng bowl para sa ating breakfast. Akala ko pang breakfast. Lalagyan ko sana ng milk. Okay, that's all for today's video. I'll see you again tomorrow for another first try episode series. Okay? Trying the episode series. Okay, that's all for today's video. I'll see you again tomorrow. Mama, bye!